Okay, next is blur region. If you want to blur somewhere like annotation blur, where was that? You can go in the visual, drag and drop blur region. You can see we have settings also for base video and the visual under that. Open the video in this here and just click on that, and you can see the settings. A thing that I forgot to tell you, you can add that effect to a specific part of video, not all of that. Okay, all of these visuals, blend mode, and all of this visual, you can assign it. You can see, you can drag and drop. You can see, you can just assign blur region, for example, from here. You can see, and after that, the blur region will be appear. Don't forget any of these visual effects that you can, not all of them. If you see these handles, it tells you, okay, you can make me bigger or smaller, or drag and drop to see where do you want to happen. Okay, I give it to all video. You can see they are hide here. Select it, you are going to settings. You can change the area by changing these handles. You can rotate it, change it scale. You can change the blurriness amount. You can change the color of the blur region. You can change opacity of that color. You can invert it if you want. You can change the shape to rectangle, and you can add a corner. You can feather. You can change the feather, and you can make it. You can rotate it if you want. You can make it oval, and just feather. That's it. If you want to create something like that, you can. It's, for example, something like this. If you want, you can create something. So don't forget, so you can, with these handles, assign, for example, in this part of video, boom. Okay, so you can assign, or if you don't want, you can delete it, or delete from here. Or if you don't need that, you can turn it off temporarily here. Okay, very easy. Turn it on and delete that.